This clock with a heart in the center I made from colored pencils. On the previously prepared template I put the pencils by applying and marking the place of cutting. I cut each pencil separately and glue it to its place. The second layer of pencils I make by choosing the same colors so as to create an amazing rainbow heart effect. I also made a slightly smaller heart which I pasted perfectly in the middle. I make a mold out of clear plastic and seal it with hot glue. Slowly pour in epoxy resin. When the resin is hardened I take it out of the mold and sand it on both sides. I also sand the edges to a perfect circle. I add white dye to the resin and pour the whole thing on the back of the clock so the colored pencils will always be clearly visible. With a table router I round the corners on both sides. The last layer of resin so that everything shines. When everything is hardened I sand the streaks that have formed and make a hole of 8 mm. With a hand router I make room for the clock mechanism. Using a template that I made with a CNC laser, I glue the numbers perfectly in place. I put in and turn the mechanism, and now the hands of the clock which look like pencils I made them on a 3D printer. And this is the result. It looks really amazing with those hands that look like pencils. And what do you think about this clock? See you in the next video.